Let me ask you something. What makes an apartment truly comfortable to live in? Brandon Estates is a well-planned apartment community in West Palm Beach, designed for people who want space, comfort, and a place that feels easy to come home to. These apartments offer practical layouts, comfortable living spaces, and a calm environment that works for real, everyday life. It starts with location, a quiet residential setting while still staying connected to the city. Living here means you're close to everyday conveniences, local restaurants for dining out, shopping centers for daily needs, and nearby parks where you can relax, walk, or spend time outdoors. It's a place where life moves at a comfortable pace, not rushed, not crowded, just balanced. I'm Simon Karim. If you're looking for a practical, comfortable apartment in West Palm Beach, Brandon Estates is a smart place to start.
There is only a few units that are available. Please call Simon Karim at 5617-040091 for your private tour today.